Hey, what's up, team? This is Eddie Gray, and we are back at it with another microphone review. Today, we're going to be looking at the Comica HRM-S. So this is a really good microphone for interviews. It is a condenser microphone. Now, what's interesting about it is its adaptation. If you want, you can use a 3.5 millimeter TRRS plug, which is just basically like this basic connection here, or you can use a adapter to connect to laptop, iPad, etc. Now you can use this for Android, for the iOS or OS platform as well, and the design is a handheld mic for interviews, reports. Now I'm going to be using it in the context of music, but again, you can use this in whatever fashion you would like. So this is specially designed for smartphone users, and it's excellent sound quality. So let's say you're going out, or maybe you're doing some research for school, and you want to go ahead and capture a high quality recording with a mic that's mobile and easy to use and easy to pick up. And this is a great microphone for you. So this is a dynamic microphone, in which case it's got a sturdy build. I'm actually going to bring it out right now. Again, you can use it for hosting events, speeches, interviews, and it's designed to ease your technical woes, not add to them. If you encounter any issues, please contact us. So customer support is really solid as well. And I just wanted to show you this part here. So for the smartphone with the iOS system, the mic works well in either audio or video mode. So again, if you're somebody that do a lot with social media or podcasting, this is something that you can use. So let's go ahead and open it up, check out how it records and how we can use it in the context of music. So here it is right here. All right. Nice packaging. It says here, reporter interview microphone for smartphone. So let's grab this. Cool. All right, like the layout. Oh, gotta open this up. One sec. All right, let's go ham. All right, so it comes with a nice bag. All right, got the user manual. Cool, got some stickers, some swag. And here is the microphone right here. So if you want, you can use this nice handle, perhaps put a sticker of your logo, keep it pro. So I'm gonna leave this right here. Right, and then as stated, there's the connection right there. Just want to make sure you guys know 3.5 millimeter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this to my iPad, and I'm going to just start recording different sound sources. Making some beats. We'll see what happens here. But let me get set up here. So as you can see, I currently have music memos open on my iPad, and I've connected the microphone via the 3.5 millimeter connection, and now I just want to see what this actually sounds like. Let's go ahead and check it out. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Eddie Gray. Super excited about being here, as I always am, whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening. We're always here representing, bringing you the best of the best of the best every single day. All right, signing off. Catch you guys later. Thank you for this amazing interview. Cheers. All right, so let's go ahead and hear the context and just hear the richness of this microphone. Afternoon or evening, we're always here representing, bringing you the best of the best of the best every. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on Sample Wiz. And this is a great app. if you like to sample yourself, and I'm also going to use audio share. In fact, let me start with audio share because it's just a dry recording. So here it is right here. Let me go ahead and just get a basic beat. All right, take a listen. All right, so that's a dry signal. Let's go ahead and sample ourselves now. Now we're going to use Sample Wiz. Definitely want to check out this incredible creation. So I'm going to hit start and then just start sampling just, random sounds and things like that. Hey. 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 Okay, let's get our results back. Here we go. All right, so now we got some source information. Now I'm going to go ahead and move this over to the DAW. Okay, so now I'm going to take the iPad and I'm going to enable it so that the desktop can read it. How do we do that? You want to go inside of Audio MIDI Setup. And if you connect via Lightning cable, you can just enable, and this could be your phone as well. And so then now I'm going to go back into Logic and I'm going to tell Logic, hey, when I record something, can you import the audio files and have, regardless of the tempo, have the tempo conform to the project tempo? So right now we're at 81 beats per minute. And so I'm going to go ahead and say yes to this. Oh, so one thing you're going to have to do before you record is you're going to have to set your input device so that it communicates with the iPad or your phone. So go ahead and hit apply. And then that should do it. You should be able to record and use the variable tempo and have it conform to your project tempo. Let's see if we can get this worked out here. Here we go. Okay, I think we got everything. Let's listen with the metronome on. Here we go. We're just trying to line up the transients so that everything works for this song. You could also try quantizing and seeing if that helps a little bit. It may. Let's see. All right, let me see if I can move this over. All right, cool. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and start repeating that same phrasing. Why don't I go ahead and apply just a basic filter on it, something like this. Okay, let's make it just like a little bit kind of, hazy and just kind of fall back in the mix some, so it's just not standing out as much. See if we could find a decent chorus plugin. All right, let's try out a preset. All right, cool. And then just by way of getting it to blend in the mix, I'm going to use Logix transparent compressor. All right, and just push it back a little bit. Here we go. Okay, and then just, very similar fashion, I'm going to go ahead and open up another track. And this time I'm going to go back to the sampler. So this is Sample Wiz by an incredible musician. You might want to check that out. And I'm going to play in these sampled parts now, okay? Now I'm going to do this in no particular order because this is just like creative time. We don't have to have it all figured out. The one thing that you need to have set up is under recording in the main menu up here, you want to go to overlapping audio recordings and just create take folders. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this run and just record just a bunch of stuff. Here we go. Okay, all right, isn't this exciting? All right, so then now we used the microphone, the HRM-S, to create a nice beat. We were doing that inside of the iPad. You can also use it for podcasting, interviewing, on-the-go sessions, whatever it is that you got to do. And then on top of that, I just started sampling my voice inside of SampleWiz, and you could, there's hundreds of apps that you can use. And let's just go ahead and just check out some of the results, okay? Let me check out take 3. All right, kind of like take 3. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and fold this or flatten and merge. And then I'm going to take this performance and I'm going to go ahead and start sampling it. Now, the way I'm going to sample it is Quick Sampler Optimized. And what that does is it creates a sampler track for me. And then I'm going to go to the slice mode. And I'm going to change the sensitivity settings so I could find something that works for me. This is not the mode I want to use. I'm going to try, let's try equal divisions and just see how this works. So now I'm playing this in with my MIDI controller. All right, so I'm going to use that as a symbol. And I'll use that as a nice effect. All right. That'll be another symbol. Well, actually, it's kind of like a riser in a way. That's another riser. All right, so a bunch of stuff here. Let me go ahead and start recording it. Otherwise, it's just theory and it's not action anymore. Here we go. All right, let me just see if I can find a quick snare. All right, let me just get that one and then I'm good. All right, so I'm actually going to start the song that way. So let me grab this, bounce this to audio, and we'll consider this a crash symbol. So yeah, this is just another unique way of going about it, just another workflow. And so here is my symbol. Yeah, that sounds great. Now just make sure you add some reverb to that to, get that to sound nice and creamy and have the decay kind of, fizzle away over time. Yeah, okay, so now check this out in the context of the track. Here we go. Okay, and then I'll just do one more. Let's add a nice effect or something. Okay, that one right there would be perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and create a selection. I'm going to bounce that to audio. And then we'll just drag this up here. And this should work out, at least, semi-workout. Let's check it out. Yeah, there we go. Isn't that cool? All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and check out the Comica HRM-S. Great for many usages. Highly recommended. It's now become a part of my arsenal. Looks like my mic locker is getting pretty extensive. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you like the content, you want to see more content like this, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we will see you guys soon. As always, keep growing, keep evolving, keep working, and keep your frequency high. Let me see you guys out like this. Here we go.